disturbing images. Yeah, it was kind of overdue, and this is only about 6 months of accumulation. Here's what the after looks like, and this whole thing takes about 15 minutes to clean. So I'll show you the quick and easy way to do it. To start this whole thing out, grab either a camera, a phone, or something, and pro tip number 1 here, get a picture of the back of your PC and where all the wires go, because it's going to make hooking everything back up a whole lot easier if they go into the right ports. Now some stuff doesn't matter, like USB and whatever, but instead of boring you with that, just take a picture of it and put the cables back where you found them. And we'll just continue and make it super easy. Grab your case, bring it outside, pop the cover off, toss the air compressor in the wall, do it in your socks, because it's still warm outside. Plug that thing in, get yourself a little blower nozzle, and as you can see, this thing is in need of clean. I start out by just kind of blasting over top. Make sure the wind is kind of behind you, that way this dust doesn't get in your face, because this will make you sneeze for a long time. Here it took me probably about 4 or 5 times for the compressor to catch up before I could get it all clean. Parts that are commonly forgot are your power supply. And you want to hit this thing both ways. You want to hit it from the inside, kind of blowing it out the back of the case. That's usually where I start. And then I'll go back from the back and blow it back in to free up any dust that got caught in there. And that seems to get it really nice and clean. And kind of just rinse and repeat. One word of caution here, make sure when you're blasting around the fans that you either hold on to them or just don't hold it in the same spot, because you're going to spin up your fans to 1 billion RPMs. Billions and billions of RPMs. And you're going to damage your fans, so be careful of that. Or you can just hold them with a top before you start spraying the inside your coolers. Here's kind of an after look of how it looks after it's all said and done. And it's remarkably different. It actually looks like a brand new computer, so looks like new, must be better. Another pro tip for you here, when you get this thing back together and you have tight spaces to work in like most people's computers do, and mine is no exception. Chuck a flashlight on the top of your computer case to just throw some lumens to the back of it. Then take your phone again, chuck it into selfie mode, and you'll see my beautiful mug. And then kind of point the camera, or kind of sneak the camera around so you can see around the back of your case. And just like that, your iPhone is looking around corners. Take your wires, put them back in the right spots, referencing the picture if you need to, and get it all hooked back up, and that's it. Turn it back on. Enjoy a cool running computer. Mine has been, since I actually did the cleaning part of this video, that's been 2 days, and I haven't had a single crash on my video card at all. Considering initially I was getting a crash about every hour, so was quite over it. And if you look at the before and after the video card, it doesn't even look like there's a whole ton, but I think it's more so what's accumulated to the fan blades there that you can see in the picture. Anyway, the after looks a whole heck of a lot better, and then it's really noticeable how much cleaner it is. Temps have gone down 6 degrees on the video card. Doesn't sound like a lot, but between 74 and 80 degrees Celsius when under load, it's made a heck of a difference. Chances are, if you're watching this video, you have other tech stuff. You know what? Take a look. I'm going to leave a video here that's going to help you with a Moross switch and web core if you're interested. Check that out.